Hi, this is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management. And I want to talk to you about a question I often get, which is, should I keep my security system for my tenant? So basically you have a security system and should you keep it? Or a similar question is, should I get a security system for my tenant when they move in my home? I know things are a little different now than they were, say, 4 years ago, and there's a little bit more unrest going on in America, in San Antonio. But my answer is pretty simple. My answer is no. I don't feel that sometimes each tenant is going to value a security system like you might value a security system. So you can allow the resident to get a security system. They can do that, but they let them do that with their own dime and let them pay for it themselves. So if you have a security system, then I would let it expire. If you're thinking about getting a security system, I would simply not get one. I hope that helps.